Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we're in downtown Kato Paphos, and look at that view. But hold on a minute, I think that I brought Miss Ochin Gracevia LaBouffe. LaBouffe, what are you doing? You can't take her anywhere. Let's get down and have a look. LaBouffe, what are you doing?
Mr. Paul, why are you locking my son?
She's confused her English again. Locking or blocking?
Oh,
Right, come on LaBouffe. We've got places to go and places to see.
Let me
Yes.
say.
It's time for a big hello.
Hello, everybody.
Try not to fall over.
Yes. Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again. I was making a sunbathing. And Mr. Paul came and locked my son.
Blocked.
Blocked.
Right, come on LaBouffe. We've got places to go and places to see. Because as you can see, the sun is going down.
Of course.
You should have come out a bit
Sometimes
early.
it's
You
going
should have got up a bit earlier.
Sometimes it's going down, sometimes it's going up.
It is.
This
Right.
nature.
Come on LaBouffe. We've got places to go and we've got places to see. Miss LaBouffe, she's always on the wrong side. LaBouffe, where are you going? This way. Get to that side, LaBouffe. I tell you. I'm left-handed, as you've come to understand, and Miss LaBouffe is a very, very naughty monkey. What have you got to say?
I'm right-handed and right-legged.
Luckily you got two legs, otherwise you'd be in big trouble. Right, let's keep going, because there are places to see and places to go. That's confused. Places to go and places to see. Miss Ochin Gracevia LaBouffe?
Very short.
I am quite short tonight, that's for sure. Is it going to be the jump of a panther? You appear to have lost your voice. You're almost losing your hat. Right, come on LaBouffe. I'm in trouble, that's for sure. Right, we're going to take you on a little walk, but look at that view. Absolutely spectacular. Absolutely views to die for, that's for sure. So we're going to take you to the... What was that, LaBouffe? Look at that. Absolutely spectacular. Miss Ochin Gracevia LaBouffe, the most beautiful woman in the world.
Come on, Mr.
What have you
Paul,
got to say?
I've got to say, for every man, their women are the most beautiful women in the world.
Well, obviously. What have you seen? That's well, off land on a wooden platform that wobbles all over the place. Water sports centre, and it's called the Paphos Water Sports Centre, and it is to the rear of, what is that hotel called?
Almira.
The Almira Hotel. So that place is to the rear of the Almira. Anyway, let's continue on our walk down to the Paphos Promenade. This is one of the pathways to the rear of the hotels, which links all of the hotels along the plage straight down to the Paphos Harbour, one of the most beautiful places in the world. Let me show you.
Busy, right?
It's getting busy. It certainly is. The summer is certainly in full swing.
The
Well,
door is closed.
they've raised the drawbridge. Can you see?
No, I can jump. I can jump. Let's go.
No, you can't, LaBouffe. It's too far. I can tell that from here. The jump is probably about 6 to 7 metres.
No.
In fact, I'd like to film it because when you fall in, that would be very, very
Let's
funny.
go.
Let's go and have a look. And I'm sure the viewers have come to understand the way we show them Paphos is totally different to the way anyone else shows them Paphos. Because no one, and I mean nobody, is as adventurous or as stupid as we are. Now that says no entry, LaBouffe. That's it. A bit of burglary. Right, let's go. It's time to get in. That's it. Oh, there we go. And I'll follow you, LaBouffe. One of these days we are going to get arrested, that is for sure. But luckily, tonight is a beautiful evening. Is that one of my views, LaBouffe? I'm sure she's trying to tempt me. Do you think you can get round LaBouffe without getting arrested? I think not.
I can.
Well, I've no doubt that you can, but the problem will be
To jump
getting back. So,
Correct.
we won't bother. We've been adventurous enough. We've already committed an offence. Yes, LaBouffe?
If I jump from there and went in the water, would it be not funny?
Well, it'd be absolutely hilarious for me and the viewers, that's for sure, but very, very unpleasant for you, shall we say. LaBouffe, let's get back. Right, we'll now get back to normality, get back to the pathway and go back towards the Paphos Harbour. LaBouffe is still desperately trying to find a way to monkey around. You can't take her anywhere. Come on, LaBouffe. Otherwise, you're going to be a very sad LaBouffe because you'll get very, very wet. So we'll leave LaBouffe there. She'll eventually get the message and she'll come running. I thought she would. I thought you would. Come on. Do, 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 do. The naughtiest little monkey in the whole of the world. Not just Paphos. Right. Get your butt down there. Let's have a look at the rear end. Well, that was very, very nicely done, to be honest. I'm just going to step over it. There we go. Very good, LaBouffe. I'm getting old to be climbing over all these things. Right, let's get down and explore the Paphos Harbour. There's a lady with her two doggies. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Hello. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah? Can I steal your ribbon? No. Absolutely beautiful two dogs with little pink ribbons. Absolutely spectacular. Wow. LaBouffe, what have you got to say?
Why not?
Well, doggies are lovely, but they are very, very troublesome. We need to move a bit faster past here, LaBouffe, because there is something playing in the background and YouTube just doesn't like it. So let's get a sprint on. Go on, LaBouffe. We're like the $6 million man and the bionic woman. Exactly. There we go. There we are. We're safe now, LaBouffe. We can slow down, calm down. We are now to the rear of the Annabelle Hotel.
Yeah.
Now, I remember this hotel.
Where I climbed on the tree.
A tree. You did. LaBouffe did go up a tree, as someone kindly remembered us very recently. The view. Wow. Look at that. Absolutely spectacular, isn't it? And there are some of our favourite rocks. I want to show you this view because off this corner here, we believe that it is one of the greatest views off the Paphos coastline. The forts in the distance, the harbours there, and the restaurants, bars and cafes they are. It's spectacular. Look at that. That was one of my views. I've treated you. Come on, LaBouffe. Let's take it away.
Are you filming me without me to realize what you're doing?
Yes.
What are you doing, Mr. Paul?
Well, what I was thinking was that it might up the male view, but it also may up the female views as well. Because I have noticed in the analytics that the female views are going up.
Yeah. The females are just looking about all my outfits because they are curious what I'm wearing sometimes because we all curious women. They are not looking you.
Possibly that's true. Anyway, let's leave you with the view and we'd like to say thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like and click subscribe and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. LaBouffe's been distracted, she's doing something. What are you up to, LaBouffe?
I'm going to have a word with you.
Well, we can have a word later. It's now time for the big goodbye.
I would like to thank you again and again all of you for the great support you do for us, for bringing into our hearts such happiness and luxury. Unforgettable. You are all superb stars, and we love you to bits. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click on subscribe.
Okay, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for more of our magic. Look at that.
No missing chances I have learned to see. Every moment shapes who we're meant to be on this island of love. Hand in hand we roam. In the heart of Cyprus we have found our home. With Marika's laugh, the world feels bright. Underneath the stars, with hearts in flight, letting go of shadows.